Alright, so just a super quick video of my little charging box that I made. You got the solar panels over here. So basically what we got is the solar panels connected to the charge controller connected to the batteries connected to the inverter. Oh, and then I made this, put this in here. So that way I can plug that into there. Have a little bit of extra line. There we go. Yep. And well, I can open up this one too, got a little bit more storage there. Yeah, pretty cool, I think. And there you have it. Oh, show you my other setup in here. Same basic thing, but bigger batteries. And I didn't actually have all of the wires, so I ended up having to cut and make all of this stuff. But I think it turned out pretty cool. So, yep, that is that. So I'll be able to use that whenever I go camping. I'll basically just put that in the tent, and it's hot out here. I'll put that in the tent and then run the panel outside somewhere. Yeah, then we'll have electricity in there. That is all.